In this short video I want to show you what to do if you have an oil separation. When it can happen. For example, when you make any of my truffles, it can be dark chocolate truffles, white chocolate truffles, when you work with only oily ingredients, so it means when you combine coconut oil, nut butter, seed butter, and maybe some kind of milk, yeah, when you want to create a fudge. Also, sometimes my students who bought my mini course about royal pecan cake, and this is probably one of the most delicious my cake, they also have this issue sometimes when they make pecan ganache and pecan truffles in that cake. Now I want to show you how to fix it. First of all, what does it mean oil separation? So you see, this is a very oily texture. We have some mixture and some oil that is on the walls of our bowl. And in this moment you are trying in the blender, blending it, and nothing happened. Before this video I gave this secret only to my students of my fundamental main course, but I will give you this secret to you as well. Let's grab water. I decided to show you that it's just a simple water so that I can drink daily, so nothing special. It's not something that I created specially to fix this problem. And let's see how many grams to pour here. Okay, so because I can do it like on my eyes, yeah, so for me it's not important, but for you, if you do it first time, so let's say I pour here 40 milligrams of water. Here you are, and up to this quantity you can add into this mixture. Very important moment. So when you made this oil separation, most likely your butter became very hot. Like when you touch your bowl, your jar bowl, it is very hot. Please cool it down up to about like 90 degrees. So it should be not really hot. It can be warm, but not overheated. Same with the water. Water should be at room temperature. It shouldn't be cold from the refrigerator, and honestly, you don't need to heat it. So let's add half of this quantity and start mixing. You see, oil is combining with our mixture. And we combine to do it. We stir, and we try to incorporate water into our mixture. Continue. See, we don't have oil anymore. Yeah? It is still oily, still not the perfect texture, but at least we don't have oil on the bottom. And I feel that I need to add a little bit more water, maybe half of this. And continue to stir. You see, I work quite fast, yeah? Quite fast. Here you are. This is our perfect ganache. Saved ganache. It can have some bubbles inside, so if you want you can strain it through the sieve and you will get rid of these bubbles. But in general, here you are, without changing the recipe, without throwing away the ingredients, you've got perfect texture. I hope you will love this tip. Also, if you want to dive in like deeper into the techniques, into understanding when we use one ingredient and another one, how we can stabilize our cakes depending on the climate you live, how to create your own recipe, how to make any of raw desserts diabetic friendly or ketogenic friendly. It means we will remove all dates, all sweeteners, all other carbs to create it healthy. I mean, not healthy, I mean they will be safe for people who need the cake without any carbs and without any sugar. So please welcome to my fundamental course. It's a very deep 100 lesson course where I give over 30 recipes that I do not include in this quantity, is not included like component recipes like making milks, butters, jams, something else, but in general you will know how to make not only cakes and tarts, so of course you will know how to do it, but also you will learn how to make healthy breakfast, cookies, fudges, truffles, ice cream, Nutella, cacao drinks, and a lot of other things. This is a complete training. After this training I will give you raw chef certification, and of course you will be able to sell cakes, and when you sell you will be confident to talk with people who have different allergies, different reactions, or you can talk with people who need a diabetic friendly cake, and those customers will feel your confidence because you will know a lot. And it's very important for those who care about their health. They will not buy the cake from somebody who just substitutes sugar to aspartame, for example. And no, we will not be using aspartame. So if you want to have such side income, or if you want to learn for your health, for your kids' health, for your family health, please welcome to my fundamental course. It is not opened anytime. Please see the link below, and time to time I open enrollment. So thank you, and I hope you loved this option, how to fix oil separation.